Hey guys, it's Erika. We're going to be checking out Nature and Erika Tumblr. I'm so pretty dance practice. I think when I reacted to the performance music video, I said I had already reacted to the dance practice, and that's false information. I'm sorry for giving it out. I remembered reacting to the dance practice, and then I'm like, I never did. What? And stuff. So memory is just a blur. That goes to show you my brain ain't memorizing things properly. But here we are. Now I am actually reacting to the dance practice, and I'm excited. The choreography from the music video and performance music video is really dope, and I'm really just excited to see it with a static camera and just being able to see it and really judge out the choreography, because the angles were really fun. I think we got a good look at the choreography, but never really getting a look at the choreography. So with it like a roll-off's good. There's a lot of roll-offs in choreography lately. I think I said that, like, what seems difficult about the choreography is how quick it is. And I still think that's true, like, and the chorus, it looks a little bit slower than in the performance music video. But it still looks difficult because of the quickness of the moves right after another. And they get little breaks right there and stuff, but they still look pretty when they do it, which is crazy. I really like the choreography. I think it's well choreographed. It fits the song very well. They perform it excellently, flawlessly, like they ain't even trying. It has like the perfect amount of cuteness in it. And that like reverse thing, I've never seen that in a girl group choreography. Maybe I haven't, I just don't remember. But I think it's a cool element. I didn't realize how much they were doing here at this like last chorus. But they're killing it. Like they performed it very well. I think it's really great choreography. I really like it. It seems really fun, and it's fun to watch. And they perform it very well. And it's just like, if it's a song well, and I really like it. I think it's really great, and I don't know what else to say about that, but yeah, but the angles did make it look like it was more difficult than it actually was. But like here, I'm just like, oh no, it's kind of slowed down. It doesn't seem as like difficult to do, but they make it look like they're not even trying anyways, so it's really hard to judge, like, is it difficult? Because they're not making it look like it's difficult. They don't look tired, they look beautiful. Like, what is the truth? What is reality? Is it difficult? Is it not? Will we ever know? Never. Go to put your thoughts in the comments below if you thought about nature's episode Pretty Dance Practice. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you like me and you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see my videos the second they come out. Hit that notification button if you want to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Tumblr, Facebook page, all in the description down below. Or hit that Instagram, share the video to your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.